Hello guys, I'm Rasmus and you're watching Slikhaar TV. I'm here with Thomas and Nicoline and today we're going to do some graduation.
Yes, we're gonna make a fully haircut with only the scissor. I'm gonna make a lot of structure on the top and we're gonna graduate it from the bottom here, from 0 and then upwards. So it's gonna be... Now we're finished with the haircut. I hope you like it. What about you?
It's a really fresh and nice summer look. I like it.
It's good to hear. Remember to subscribe and give us a like and comment on the comment section down below. So see you guys next time.